Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is John Mario Acompañado, one of the students at Davao Oriental State University, taking a bachelor degree of hospitality management. I choose to pursue hospitality management because it bridges my innate passion for service and with my ambition to grow both personally and professionally. I consider myself as a high motivated and driven individual with passion for continuous growth and learning. Throughout my academic journey, I've actively sought opportunities to grow through participation in industry specific events like workshops and competitions. These experiences, from culinary challenges to hospitality case studies, has been instrumental in transforming my work weaknesses into strengths, such as time management, creative problem solving, and ability to perform under pressure. Each event served as a mirror revealing areas where I needed improvement. This proactive approach has not only sharpened my technical skills like culinary, but also deepened my understanding of what it takes to exceed guest expectations in the real world scenarios. These experiences have instilled in me a mindset of continuous learning, a commitment to turning every challenge into a stepping stone toward mastery. For me, hospitality isn't just a career, it's a commitment to lifelong growth. I'm eager to contribute my adaptability and passion for excellence to dynamic environments where every day is a chance to elevate the guest experience and inspire those around me.